In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can install additional packages for desktop computing or for video walls. So to begin, what you want to do is you want to click on Settings in the left-hand corner. You want to navigate down to Check for Available Packages. Select that, please. Wait for it to load, and then you'll be prompted with a menu. So in this instance, as you can see, most packages are already installed if you wish to install any. So let's say you wish to install Crane Input Support. Just select it, please. Click Apply, and then it's going to be beginning installing. There we go. So it's already done. So that concludes today's video. If you need to install additional packages beyond what's already provided, please contact support@userful.com or read the documentation at support.userful.com. Thank you.